It's Saturday and we are about to head into the Vineland Premium Outlets to see what the wait time looks like for the Disney Character Warehouse.
But we've already decided we were only going to wait maybe about an hour.
Well, we got in the door and it's what time?
3:46.
That's not too bad. So that was basically an hour and 15-minute wait and we're in. So let's see what they got. This is the same shirt that we bought on the last trip, but ended up returning. It was a $60 shirt, but now it's on sale for $20.
Now I'm glad you returned it.
We just got finished in the Character Warehouse, and I think we got some good stuff.
Oh, dang it.
What did you forget?
Stupid mask.
Folks,
Got it.
look where we are. Ready? Look at that. That is the Polynesian.
Just look at it. Oh, I'm so excited. I want all of the Dole Whips that they have. All of them.
Well, guess what? I think we're going to have a Dole Whip appetizer, then we're going to have our food, and then we're going to have a Dole Whip dessert.
Sounds like a plan, Brand.
Well, we still are waiting for our room.
It's 5:18. We just checked in about maybe 10 minutes ago. But I'm getting hangry, so
Yeah.
we're gonna go get some dinner, probably at Captain Cook's. And if we haven't received our room number by then we'll go to the front desk and check.
That's so neat. They have real tiki torches. I can hear that thing going. Well, this one's not on, but there's gas coming out of it.
So we are
Here. This is Captain Cook's. This is where we're going to go eat. Unfortunately, it's exit only, so we got to make our way that way. All right, well, we just mobile ordered our food.
we got the Thai coconut meatballs, the pulled pork nachos, and the Star Wars refillable mug. Because we're gonna be here for a while.
So we're just waiting for our order to be ready, and then we're going to go pick it up. So we got the pork nachos and the coconut bowl. Teia did not want pico de gallo on the nachos, so I had to put it on the side. But it's not an option in the app, so I had to go to the counter and be like, "You just placed an order. There was no option. Can you do it?" And he was like, "Oh yeah, just tell him." So this is interesting. The first thing I pull out of here, it's basically a fried wonton. Well, we are tearing up our food here.
I'm so hungry.
Oh, it's really good. I love this coconut sauce that they have, and this, I could literally tear one of these up by myself, but I'm trying to be polite and not eat it all because I have a wife with me.
And I get hangry.
There she is. We also got the resort refillable mug, the stainless steel mug that I can add to my stainless steel mug collection. We have an entire week to use it. Refills, hashtag unlimited refills, what? The pork nachos right here. I noticed the difference between this time and the last time that we had them. It was almost like that plastic cheese where after it sat for a few minutes, it got hard and sticky and you had to peel the chips apart. This is more like a sauce. It's more like the sauce that's in this, so it doesn't stick like that. And I like it like that because I don't feel like I gotta eat it as fast as I can before it gets hard. We finally got our room assignment, and we are in the Tokelau. Yeah, it's this one over here. So we're gonna go figure out where our room is, then we're gonna go get our luggage. All right, have at it.
Oh, it smells good in there. That's so cool! It's so big! And there's two! We don't even have to share!
2 bathrooms?
2 bathrooms.
Look at how much space is behind us. Look at this. Okay, I want you to walk back that way, Teia. Look at this. She's running to the back of the room. We got our pineapple Dole Whip, and we actually got the souvenir mug that we could buy. So the pineapple Dole Whip is like what, $6.99 or something like that.
This is the float, so it's $5.99 with without the souvenir cup, and with the souvenir cup it was $10.99, I believe.
So not too bad. We're here. We had to get it.
Hashtag
Needed it. Well, we finally got our room assignment.
Oh, sorry.
So we finally got our room assignment, and I'm not gonna get my words in.
No cakes!